Let's play a riddle game with Tom's Magic English. I have 4 legs. I have a flat surface. You can eat meals on me. I am in the dining room. What am I? Table. I am small. You can keep me in your pocket. I can play music, take pictures, and send messages. You can use me to make calls. What am I? Cell phone. I am rather small. I am made of glass or plastic. You need me when you are thirsty. You can put a drink in me. What am I? Glass. I am in the kitchen. I am long and sharp. I can cut things up. Be careful when you use me. What am I? Knife. I am rather big. I look like a box. I am in the kitchen. I keep your food fresh. What am I? Fridge. I am rather long. I am in the bathroom. I have some hair. I help keep your teeth clean. What am I? Toothbrush. I am rather small. But I can be very noisy. I show numbers on my face. I wake you up in the morning. What am I? Alarm clock. I am small. I can be in your pocket. You need me when you go home. I can unlock doors for you. What am I? Key. There are 2 of us. We are on your feet. We keep you warm when it's cold outside. We like to ride in your shoes. What are we? Socks. I am made of leather. I sit in your pocket. I keep your money. And some credit cards. What am I? Wallet. Good job.